Welcome back to the channel, guys. So about a month and a half or so ago, I addressed a particular topic wherein a Jamaican man was facing extradition as it relates to him knowingly and willfully sleeping with women in Canada, knowing that he was HIV positive. He has known from 1996, I think. His name is George Flowers. You understand? And at this point in time, I think 3 to 4 women have tested positive for HIV, and the Canadian government has requested his extradition back to Canada, where he can face the court for those confirmed cases, and I think 8 or 9 other cases. So we see now where he has filed an appeal against his extradition. But I'm going to read the article first, then I tell you what I think about the umbrella and the situation. Yeah. I'm so forward. It says, HIV positive Jamaican man fights extradition to face sexual assault charges. It says, a 47-year-old Jamaican man who was ordered extradited to Canada in 2014 to stand trial for allegedly infecting several females with HIV is fighting the extradition in the Court of Appeal. George Flowers is facing 12 counts of aggravated sexual assault. Should he be extradited? Flowers was on Friday. Should he be extradited? Flowers was on Friday, January 21, given the go-ahead for his appeal to be heard on January 30th. Hope it failed. However, his lawyer, Don Foot, is expressing concern that while Flowers' appeal was pending, the Minister of Justice had signed an order dated November 30, 2016 for extradition. Very good. This means that Flowers may be removed from the country at any time. Tonight, I hope. He is accused of engaging in unprotected sex with 4 women without disclosing to them that he was HIV positive. What a wicked hombre. 3 of the women are now HIV positive, and the woman said if they knew he was HIV positive, they would not have been intimate with him. I mean, we don't need a woman to tell you that. Flowers took his case to the Supreme Court to have his extradition order set aside, but was not successful. He have money. He then filed a notice of appeal, but it was struck out last year because he did not pursue the appeal. He later filed another. In the appeal filed on November 25 last year, Flowers is contending that he should be released because Jamaica does not have a corresponding law for the offense for which he is being extradited. You see, you, Mr. Flowers, you need some pesticide and some herbicide. It says, he also pointed out in the appeal that contracting HIV during consensual sex with a person who did not disclose his or her status does not constitute the offense of inflicting assault occasioning grievously bodily harm. Flowers is claiming in his appeal that if he was forced to disclose his HIV status to the woman, his constitutional right to privacy would have been breached. Lawyers from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecution claim Flowers brought bodily harm to the woman, and under Jamaican law, the Offences Against the Person Act applies. Soon forward.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
I find this very troubling, people. Because, watch this. Based on what the man has said in his defense, you understand that the brother here is a cold, calculated murderer. As some you see it, you know, the man knows him HIV positive. It is documented. He knows his status. And he willfully exposed these women to HIV, knowing them have it, and him a come talk about a bag of crap. Yo, hear me say, man. We they are focused on the extradition still, but I just reflect. I mean, I say, I wonder how many women he has slept with since coming back to Jamaica, unprotected, knowing them everything. I mean, I was a youth. When I go with the ladies and the ladies them good with me, and you know, we do street back in the days, and you know, we kind of behave ourselves and know still. I not try to joke out this other people because it's serious matter. See, I wonder if the brother here really understand what him do, what him do, what him say, what him try to say. Eh? Now imagine how many Jamaican women might have fallen prey to this killer, because that is what he is. A murder them should not charge him for. Well, although the people them not dead still, but attempted something. See, I hope he's extradited very quickly, and I hope justice will be swift and decisive. You understand me? I say, you Mr. Flowers, he's a wicked fellow. You understand me? I say, and these things sometimes will come back, come on to you, know, but you say, well, people them down the road. But don't worry your head. A time, you understand? Yo, peeps, man wicked, man. What a... Yeah, man, man. If I was a part of the Jamaica police force or police hierarchy, I would immediately launch an investigation as to persons who might have been exposed to HIV by this man. You understand? As a matter of fact, he would have never left Jamaica to face them child because I hear them when they're rotten. Among other things. But you know, some things are better left unsaid. I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.